Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 29, часть 1, страница 64-65. English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 29, part number 1, page number 64-65. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late. And I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 64. 64. A space trip. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Космическое путешествие. Упражнение 1. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Art, English, Geography, History, ICT, Maths, Music, PE, Science. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. A happy student, talk with your friend. Счастливый студент, поговори со своим другом. Paint pictures, walk with numbers, play the violin, play sport, use the computer. What's your favorite subject? Art. Why? Because I love painting pictures. What's your favorite subject? ICT. Why? Because I love using computer. What's your favorite subject? Maths. Why? Because I love working with numbers. What's your favorite subject? PE. Why? Because I love playing sport. What's your favorite subject? Music. Why? Because I love playing the violin. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Sing along. Спойте вместе. I like playing music and watching kids' cartoons. I like eating sushi and fishing on the moon. I'm a happy kind of person. I always laugh and smile. I'm a happy kind of person. People like my style. I like having picnics and skipping in the rain. I like planting flowers and riding in a train. The answer. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 65. 65. Exercise number 4. Read and answer the questions. Прочитай и ответь на вопросы. Fred usually gets up at 8:30. He has breakfast and then goes to school. His favorite subject is maths because he wants to be an astronaut when he grows up. Jack loves reading stories about aliens. His favorite subject is English. He wants to be a famous writer one day. Number 1. Who gets up at 8:30? Number 1. Кто встает в 8:30? The answer, Fred. Number 2. Whose favorite subject is English? The answer, number 2. Чей любимый предмет английский язык? The answer, Jack. Number 3. Who wants to be a writer? Number 3. Кто хочет стать писателем? The answer, Jack. Number 4. Who wants to be an astronaut? Number 4. The answer. Кто хочет быть астронавтом? The answer, Fred. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Answer the questions, then tell the class. Ответь на вопросы, затем расскажи классу. What time do you get up? В какое время ты встаешь? I get up at 7:15. What do you usually do after school? The answer. Что ты обычно делаешь после школы? I do my homework in the afternoon. Then I go to art school, and in the evening I sometimes watch TV. What's your favorite subject? Какой твой любимый предмет? My favorite subject is art. What do you want to be when you grow up? Кем ты хочешь стать, когда вырастешь? I want to be a famous artist. Boys and girls, do exercise number 6. Write a short text about yourself. Use your ideas from exercise number 5. Напиши краткий рассказ про себя, используя идеи из упражнения номер 5. The answer. Hello, I'm Nick. I'm in year 4 at school. I usually get up at 7:20. Then I get dresses, have breakfast, and at 8 o'clock I go to school. It's opposite my house. My lessons start at 8:30. My favorite subject is maths because I like working with numbers and solving problems. When I grow up, I want to be a famous scientist. At 3 p.m. I usually come home. I have lunch, do my homework, and twice a week I go to the gym. In the evening, I always read interesting stories about sea animals. I sometimes watch TV in the evening. I go to bed at 9:30 p.m. Fun time. Время веселиться. Необычные профессии. Meet Mickey Mouse and Goofy. They are not cartoons. They are real people. Pet detective. A very important job, especially if your dog is missing. Joke. Why is the mother's book unhappy? Because it's full of problems. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.